Welcome to our factory workshop. Today we show you the complete machining workflow of industrial valve balls, raw ball blank storage, iron sorting, rough turning, to remove excess material, fine precision machining, true control, strict dimensional tolerance, surface finishing, for perfect sealing fit, inspection, before coating and lapping. Our factory supplies all sizes of trunnion ball valve components, including valve balls, half spheres, and valve tubes. We support custom material, size and surface coating solutions for oil, gas, chemical, and energy industry. If you are looking for reliable valve parts manufacturing, feel free to send your drawing for quotation.